Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. My name is Daedran. Veteran musician Lloyd Parks, founder and leader of We the People Band, was honored for his immense contribution to reggae music. Parks was lead guitarist for reggae songbird J.C. Lodge at the Red Roses for Gregory event on Sunday, where he was bestowed with the honor by General Counsel for the UDC, Ewan Simpson.
On behalf of the Gregory Isaacs Foundation, we want to present this plaque to you, sir. As a musician and artist, we celebrate you and thank you for your immeasurable contribution to reggae music.
I give thanks for this one, I really appreciate it. This one is more valuable than a Grammy to me.
Parks, in an interview with E-Prime, fondly reminisced on his time in the business.
Yes, well, I've toured with Gregory, and I've also toured with Dennis Brown, being his musical director, for 20 years. And I've backed almost every artist that come out of Jamaica over the years. From the Ninja Man to the Shabba, everybody. It's a wonderful journey. If I was to do it again, make a decision, I'll do it all over again.
Now, Parks last year released a cover of Falling in Love with Jesus featuring saxophonist Dean Fraser.
Everybody sing with Jesus, falling in love with Jesus was the best thing that I've ever done.
Now, Shaggy closed out the St. Lucia Jazz Festival in fine style on Sunday. The Grammy-winning reggae artist and UK Sting were the headliners for the event, dubbed the Ultimate Celebration. The two performed some of their biggest hits together and individually. Shaggy and Sting won the Best Reggae Album Grammy Award for their joint project 44876 back in 2019. Shaggy's performance follows his soca-inspired Moods EP released on Friday.
Work?
I think I'm ready for duty.
Do you feel ready?
Now to news overseas, where Ben Affleck fails at the box office. The A-list actor's latest offering, Hypnotic, failed miserably at the box office for its first weekend. The film raked in just $2.3 million from over 2,000 theaters it was playing in. The Robert Rodriguez-directed sci-fi thriller was released by two independent production companies and reportedly cost around $65 million to make. Now, his other recent film, Air, did much better in theaters, but however failed to trend as it made $85 million worldwide, though it reportedly cost $90 million to make. Ouch. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.